Welcome to a video tutorial for the SIPROTEC Function Point Manager. Today, I will show you how to sign up for the Function Point Manager and how to create an account. A Function Point Manager account is the precondition to order a Function Point budget. First, I will go on the website of the SIPROTEC Function Point Manager and press the Sign Up button on the down right corner. To sign up is only required if you are not registered at Siemens ID, otherwise click directly Log in with Siemens ID. Now I have the option to sign up with my email address, or with my Microsoft account, or my ID for Siemens employees, or my LinkedIn or Google account. I choose to sign up with my personal email and type in the information required, such as email address, a strong password as well as my first and last name. I checkmark the box which says I agree to the terms and conditions and press the sign up button to continue. Now an email is sent to me, with a link to verify my email account. I click on Verify my email. My email has been verified successfully. After validation I press the Continue button. Now I go back to the SIPROTEC Function Point Manager website and click on Login with Siemens ID. Now I need to secure my account. I have the possibility to download the official Siemens ID app through the App Store or Google Play. On the bottom I click on the link to choose more methods to secure my account. Now I have the options to get a notification on my Siemens ID app, or use the Google Authenticator, or receive a text message on my phone. I choose to receive a message on my phone. I need to enter my phone number and click on Continue. I enter in the code from the received text message. Almost done. Now I need to note down the recovery code in a safe place. This code is required when I have to sign in without my device. I click on the checkbox which says I noted the code in a safe place and click the Continue button. I am now logged into the Function Point Manager. The next step is the account verification. I choose my country of residence from the drop-down menu and click on Send to verify. Welcome to the account management page. Now I will create an account by clicking on the Create Account button. Now I need to type in my organization and a description for the account. Afterwards I click on the Create button. Now I have created an account with a respective account ID number. This account can be used only after Function Points credits. Please note this account ID and use it for any Function Point budget order. You can order Function Points from your Siemens sales representative or in the Siemens IMAL.